Backtesting. Every day until unprofitable day 383. Continuing with 2024. And then just my model, and then comparing February and March especially. Seeing how that will go. Look at this climb to the downside at a crazy losing streak here, almost back at where I was. It's just crazy. Can't do anything about this. This is just I backtested this twice now, and this is just a very, very bad week. So that's very unfortunate, and I think that Thursday is going to be even worse. So yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna do like 40 minutes today. Okay, so this is Wednesday, and then trading Thursday, and trading Thursday the entire day. And let's see what the setups were this day. And I have backtested this before with my model, and then SMT, but again, I'm trading this again right now because I backtested this, my model, but also with something else added to it. And there I got a loss, but it's almost the same as what I'm trading right now. Not exactly, but almost. So pretty high chance that I would take the exact same trade right now as that other session, but we'll see. Yeah, it looks very bullish to me. This is a very clear draw on liquidity. And then same here on yes. Right there. Or on NQ, I mean. So that looked very good. Looks very good for upside. And we do have these lows here as like a trend line. So maybe you want to manipulate below lows and then go higher. Okay, we don't do that. Could still be though for next strong liquidity, but I'm just zooming in and then looking for my setup. So just gonna look and see here. So far nothing. Felt close below. No. What time is this also? 10. Oh, I just want to say that could be something. Okay, we have taken these very clean lows now. Tapping into this inversion, get a small reaction out of this. And again, I do want to see higher to the upside. Okay, this could be a trade actually. 2 minute. Oh, it is. Very high chance that this is break even though. Check just to be sure. Oh no, 0.4 hour has to be 0.5. Wait 1 second. I'd go break even here. Oh, I think I actually remember this trade. I think this looks very good to the upside, or for upside. But I think this was a loss. Like, look at this. See IFPG. I would go break even at this high. In the opening efficiency. I'm gonna enter on this. And then, yeah, that would be first EP, but I don't even think we got that. Look how terrible that is. Or is it? Is it terrible? We had an SMT to high. You could say, oh, we're just bearish, but is it really bearish? We took a clean liquidity, reaction off the upside. Look at the reaction here. CE. To me, it looks just so good for upside. Like, any ICT trader that could explain this to me, I would say, yeah, that's just hindsight. Like beforehand, yeah, of course then. But to any ICT trader, I don't think this looks bearish at all. Just on this setup, you could say, oh, maybe it's not high probability. It could be anything, but still. Could be a re-entry though, I don't know. Okay, no, it's not. If you inverse this, then it is. Oh, which we do. Okay, it is a re-entry. I'm gonna play it out for this trade. I will be going back on that though. To enter. Oh, that's a break-even trade. Open efficiency. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that doesn't make sense to me at all. I know. Yeah, such weird price action. And I would have entered on there, but that would be break even. And now we're trading lower into this huge gap, which I would like to see be a retracement, but I don't know. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so far looks very good. Reacting off this pissy. Still in the inversion on higher time frame. I don't know what time frame it is. 2 hour. Oh, look at that. Or no, 3 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, still. Very nice reaction higher, and then very clear draw on liquidity. Still. This high. This high. And let's see. Zooming in again. Could this be an entry? Oh, it actually is. Perfect lows. And I think this also was a loss, so this is definitely a trade of mine. Oh, no way. Okay, it's not TP or something. Or is it? Oh, it is. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, it's actually crazy. So yeah, this was just, doesn't matter SSMT or not, this is just a very bad month for my strategy. Just a very bad week actually. February was just good. It was very good, but just this last week is terrible. It's crazy. 2 L's again, yeah. Okay, so 2 L's. Okay, so now I could compare it, because now this is the end of the month. I'm almost minus 2%, which is risking 1%. It isn't too crazy. Look, this is just a good month. But then this, oh my god, and then like looking at like what could be the problem in this week. And I don't really see anything too crazy. 2 loss on this. Just a normal medium impact news. We did have G20 meetings. G20 meetings. Okay, you don't really have that often. G20 meetings. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. I actually want to look then. Let me go to a full year 2020, for example. Let's filter all day news. Okay, and then let's filter all day news. Got a W, 2 break evens. I don't know if that's G20 meetings, but still, wow. Is that literally it? 2 days in the entire year. I don't think that's correct. Wow. Okay, might be. Okay. Yeah, this is what I have on data, so. Okay. Or do I have W filtered or something? Outcome? No, I don't. Okay. 2017. News. All day. Alright, let's check. Okay, these are more. Okay, got a loss here on this day. Then I got a W on this day. Got a loss on this day, so 2 losses, 1 W. 2 losses, 2 Ws. 2 losses, 3 Ws. 3 losses, 3 Ws. 4. Okay. We go to 2023. So it's now 4. No trades, no trades, no trades. Okay. No trades, no trades. Oh, this is... Okay, here, I was still... When there was all-day news, I wasn't trading the entire day. Okay. But then in here... Oh, here I can actually check as well. Don't really have that much data yet, but... Yeah, okay, this is February, yeah. This adds a lot of losses. A lot of losses there. Okay, yeah, but that makes sense. What about here? I think that's the same. Okay, 1 break even, 1 W. 3 L's, that's still the same from there. Oh yeah, here. W, 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 W. Wow. So we got a very nice winning streak in January. And then I could check what type of news we had there. So that might be right here. Here, Monday. Okay, it's not on there yet, but what kind of news do we have here? WF, WF, WF. Okay, I could also do a bit of research on this. WEF meeting, what are they talking about? Science and culture, okay. Okay, and I also want to check, like for example, the losses that I took, were those specifically in like a medium or in like an AM session, or okay, this is PM, this is AM, and this is PM, so no real hints there. Like I could say now, oh, G20 meetings, I'm just skipping that. But yeah, I can't do that based off of just 1 week. It is a terrible week, but still. Maybe or something on this, I don't know. Yeah, it does kind of make sense. Like this doesn't really look as big as the G20 meetings. What else? ChatGPT doesn't know. OPEC meetings, okay, yeah. Oil, okay, also big, but G20 meetings. I don't know, man. Like, I could just say, oh, I'm not trading medium news impact anymore. Could be, actually. But we have that pretty often, I would say. Is this for, no. I'll look for upcoming week. I think we have it too. No, maybe last week it was. Also no. Jackson Hole Symposium. I was trading on this day. I could check at my results. This is also still like part of backtesting, right? Looking back at my results. Oh, this is that account I got for $1, which is crazy. Okay, let me check. Wait, what? Oh, wait, what? This is my funded. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Yeah, so here, did I trade this day? Thursday 21. Actually didn't trade on this entire day. Okay, that's kind of crazy. And then I didn't trade on this anyway. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think I need to get more data on just medium news impact. All day news. Like, do I trade then or no? Like, even with all day red folder news, I think I'm even trading. I could check. I don't know if it was in 2020, but all day high impact folder news. Oh, there was. L, okay, this is interesting. Go to L, W, 1122. Okay, 2 tree. Tree. Ooh, 4 tree, 5 tree. 5 4, 5 5, 6 6. Ooh, 8 6, 8 7, 8 8, 8 9, 8 10. Ooh. 8 11. Oh, I don't know, man. Yeah, just very clean price action. Just on a random data out of all these, but okay. Oh wow, it's not even a screenshot there. I think that was the one I already saw. What is the price action really looking like? Okay. Decent, I guess. Pretty bad, but yeah, there was news, so looks like a good manipulation before going higher. I don't know, man. And 2 L's on this. That's very choppy. Pretty efficient. Or this is a re-entry. Already took 2 L's this day, yeah. Yeah, doesn't look so bad there. Perfectly equalized, so. You're meh. What about here? That's a very nice trade. I don't know, man. I think I'm just looking at it too much. I think I should just accept this. Like, yeah, that losing streak is gonna happen anyway somewhere later in life. Like, it's not gonna be entire life of W days. Like looking at it in a long-term way, of course. Let's say I'm doing this for 20 years from now until 20 years later. Like, am I not gonna think I'm ever gonna get a losing streak like this again? 20 years, 10 years, 5 years, it's gonna happen. Yeah, just a part of trading. I should just accept this. Let's go to March. March, I still think I was in a losing streak, but it doesn't matter. Let's disable this. And then go to Friday. March 1st, and then, yeah, holiday news. Yeah, so, yeah, I already looked also at like all those days, like, is it profitable or not? If it was just not profitable at all, like me trading medium impact all day news or high impact all day news, if it was just unprofitable, like if it was just not in A plus, and I was just said right there, oh wow, easy, I'm not gonna trade those days anymore. But still long term, like, that's, I don't know, what is it, like 2 years combined, it's just not it is profitable. I should maybe also look at it like that's really long term. Like, I just looked at 3 years of data really quick, or 2.5 years of data, and in 2.5 years of data it is profitable. But do I, like, with like 3 RR or something, but is it then worth it for me to trade? Like, I know it's profitable, like in 3 years I can get 3 RR more, but it's 3 RR in 3 years. Like, thinking about that too now as well. Is it really worth it? Okay, L with Jackson Hole Symposium, and then a W, and oh, an L and a W with Jackson Hole Symposium. Okay. You know, actually, I just want to say, okay, I'm not trading those days. Yeah, I did get a W. What was the price actually look like? Oh yeah, I already saw this. But it's like, you read all day news again. I actually want to see what year, what date was this? What am I looking at actually? 2017, and then it's around 25th of April. So around here, there was somewhere here on a Friday. So that's here, OPEC meetings. Yeah, OPEC meetings actually, okay, I think OPEC meetings is actually nice, but I should check just to be sure, of course. Around like just a bit before. Where's the all-day news? WEF meetings. Okay, so that's not OPEC. Oh, was it on Tuesday? Oh wait. Oh yeah, it is Tuesday. Okay, that's OPEC. And then on the 17th, I had a W. On a Friday, WEF, okay. So WF is like, I don't know. And then the X month. Which is the 21st. OPEC, okay. This is an L. But, oh, president speaking. I'm not trading at all when Trump is speaking, but maybe it got released after. Comes as a surprise event added to calendar. Be 44 minutes. This shouldn't even been a trading day. I'm not trading when president's speaking. Okay, I got a W on this. Let it be OPEC. Already checked this. This is OPEC. June. Yeah, like around here, I don't know. Got a W. OPEC. Got no trades on the 27th. Which on a Friday. Wait, what? Yeah, I pressed the wrong. Okay, I don't know, but it's no trace anyway. Break even on there, that's not really that. Okay, wait. What is OPEC meetings? It's oil. You know what I should do? I should just make not all day medium. I should just do it like this. I should just add it and then add like OPEC meetings instead of just this. But overall, I think it's just don't trade these days. Like, okay, I could look at the calendar right now, like at this moment. Let's look the week ahead. How many times? How often is this? How often do we have all day news? OPEC, but I think I can trade that. It is day before NFP though. I think I just need to get more data on OPEC, but yeah, maybe I could just not trade those days. That's just simple. This also, the meetings are close to the press, so it's not direct news. Like, it's not something that gets published only when they speak to the journalists. Okay, maybe I can get that information on the other thingy as well. G20 meetings. Close to the press, but usually form talk with reporters. Okay, yes, but this does sound a bit more important also. I think it's just easy to not trade medium at all though. I think I will just do that. Just make it simple. Less is more. Less is better. I think I'll just do that. And then I could also remove this because that's just how my rules are going to be now. Just not trading those days. I would very much like that. So I think that's going to be the plan. Yeah, I think that's going to be the plan. All right. It's very easy to make rules like when less is more. Okay, I think I just, yeah, can I end it in here? Okay, when is this? We can start with the news. Like, started on this day, Wednesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday. Friday I'm trading though. Like, Friday is just 2 L's. But Wednesday, Friday, or Wednesday, Thursday. I'm not trading, so I'm gonna go to right here. And then take those 2 losses on Friday, because Friday is just trade day. Can't go around that. Let me just take 2 L's really quick, because that just stays the same. Okay, I'll just do it like this. Oh my god, are you serious? Okay, let me do it then. Like this. Alright, let me do it again. Alright, 2 L's. Let's go. Monday, 4th of March, London session trading. And now I would like this way better. It's still a very big push to the downside because still got some losses. Oh, it's even. Oh, that's March. Okay, that makes sense. But am I down than what I was? Yeah, still. Okay, I have to check though. I did not take any other trades that were all day. Meeting minutes, nope. I got the 2 L's here. 1 L there. So 3, 4, 5. 5 losses, 6 losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, that was correct. I took an extra loss. Yeah. Because I took an extra W or something. Yeah, I don't know, something like that. Okay, so this was still a profitable month. March, I'm down 2% because yeah, I just took 2 L's, but that's just the start of the month. Anything can happen. It's unfortunate though, but still. Okay, London session trading. Let's go. Wait, then I do think I can go back to here. My model plus SSMT. Or what do I have backtested already? Look how bad this was. That's why I wanted to backtest my normal model. January was crazy, but I didn't backtest it on the other one, but still. Okay, let me just first do March, the entire of March on this. And then we'll see. Alright, so very choppy in here, but higher time frame still bullish, and we have very clean highs up above. Alright, that looks good to me. I think we at least want to go higher, right? Easy, right? Okay, nothing yet though. Okay, they close above here now, but did we take any liquidity? We did not do that, so I'm waiting patiently. Look at all these lows. It's going lower, but did not take any liquidity here. Didn't do it either. Okay, I like this. Equal lows now, almost closure above. Okay, and now we close above, but oh, it is an entry. Oh shit. Oh, now it's an entry actually. We tapped this once, twice, and then 3 times we closed above. This is a trade. Take equal lows here. And then that's gonna be first and final TP. And then 1-1, I'll go break even there. I don't really know about this. Oh, That's beautiful. All right, finally got a W back, ending the losing streak. 1.36, 359 was the entry. All right, W finally. London, 359. Price action was all right. And we had no news. All right. Going to Tuesday, and then Tuesday trading the entire day. Like something I've not tested with all day news. I thought price action was pretty clean, but then the entries that I did take, I took, like those were exactly not right entries. So maybe on like a higher time frame, like a 5 minute, it can be good, because I thought the price action was most of the time pretty clean. So maybe entering on a higher time frame would be the way, but I don't know. That's something I gotta backtest again in the future and see from there. I can make assumptions, but I won't. Yeah, I won't trade on it, or I won't trade it unless I have data supporting it, of course. Okay, so we're trading lower, which I like. This is just a gap that we're tapping into, but I think it's a manipulation. Again, I want to see higher. And then is this a trade? It's not. Okay, I'm still looking for higher. Oh. Okay, to take equal lows. Alright, it is a trade. Oh no, it's Monday. I thought it was Tuesday. Or even if it was Tuesday, I have to wait for news at 10 AM. Alright, so what do we do? Wow. Okay, now it makes sense. I want to say like, wow, I did not expect for us to go lower and not take these highs, but yes, took the highs, so we have an SMT. So does that mean we want to go way lower? I don't know. We did close below this, but yes, it's still holding this as a busy, so higher time would still be bullish to me. So I'm looking for a higher, but I do think we want to go lower. It's also not like it is going lower, but it's not. It doesn't tell me, okay, yeah, you can look for shorts now. You actually have an SMT at the low. So yeah. Alright, let's see. Okay, we don't have an SMT anymore. No, looks bad. Just skipping this because it's just nothing for me. I'm waiting for news actually as well. Yeah, right here. Okay, what is this looking like? 4 hour, we totally disrespected this. What are we looking like on the yes? Also disrespected, so I can look for shorts, which is nice, which I like. I think that it goes in line with what I want to see on the charts. So no entries here. Skipping this out until I see my setup, and then I'm looking, oh, is it even a valid setup? Like, I might even still look for shorts. Just want to make it quick. Oh, and that's an entry right there. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah, this is right. Draws on liquidity. Stages of accumulation. Yeah, there. And then it's not even a swing low, so it can be a 1 hour. That's the first next target. Okay, and then I was looking on a 1 minute. Busy. Gets inversed. Right there. Even have an SMT tie. We take out equalize. We're above second stage distribution. That's going to be break even because it's not a 1-1. Or because it's the external low of the range. Same on yes. And then what I actually want to see is this low, but because it's outside of 1 to 2, which I'm max targeting. In this case, I'm just targeting a fixed 1-1. So very simple. Oh wow, and that's actually good break even. Yeah, it is. Okay, and that's all I need. So back at break even for the month, which is good. Yeah, I love it. Okay, and we had PMI at 10, right? Yeah. All right, that's gonna be the session. Thank you for watching. Have a good night or a nice day. See you, ciao.